Greetings, Buildings University here with a quick guide on how to search for courses on Absorb LMS. First, log into Absorb LMS at nycdob.myabsorb.com. Your login ID is your DOB email address and password. From the Absorb LMS homepage, select the catalog icon. While on the catalog page, select the filter icon located near the top left of the screen. The search option will unhide after you select the filter icon. One of the ways you can search for courses is through its tag. Tags are keywords you can use to search for specific courses. For example, if you are looking for TMT enforcement trainings, you could find this tag by going to Advanced Filtering and selecting Tags from this drop-down menu. The Tags field will appear, and here you could type in Enforcement. This will show you the tags that are available. Select Enforcement, and Absorb will populate the results. You can also use tags to find other topics on Absorb, such as time management, and Excel. If you know the name of the course you're looking for, you could search for it directly under its course name. For example, if we were searching for Core 2, we will type in Core 2 in the course name field, select the search button, and Absorb will populate the results. Once you have found your course, select the Enroll icon to register. When your registration is accepted, the Enroll icon will change from Enroll to Start. An email notification will be sent to you and your supervisor with the confirmation. When ready, select Start again to begin your course. Please note, any training during normal working hours must be approved by your supervisor. After reviewing the terms and conditions, you are ready to begin your course. Be sure to submit your evaluation to complete your training. To view the courses you're enrolled in, return to the Absorb LMS homepage and select My Courses. On the My Courses page, you can view all of your enrolled courses. You can initiate new courses by clicking on the Start icon and continue trainings that you have started but have yet to finish by clicking the Resume icon. This concludes our quick guide on how to search for courses on Absorb LMS. If you have any additional questions, please contact Buildings University by emailing buildings_university@buildings.nyc.gov. Happy learning!